Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is an unboxing, and if you've been with me for some time, you know that I'm just trying to catch up. I've been off of YouTube for a while, so I've got a lot of unboxings to share. If you're new, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and I hope that you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I've mentioned, I've been off of YouTube for a while. So this huge thing that I hold in my hands, I actually ordered back in 2023 and I received it, I think in November of 2023. I basically put it away, and since then, I have used it one time, and it was in November 2024. I know, crazy. But in between all of that, I've moved, I've done a lot of different things, so I haven't really had time for videos or bags. And I'm gonna start using this, and I figured, let me share it with you. What do you think this is? All right, let's just get it out in the open. It came in the huge dust bag, which we all love. And it is the Neverfull GM. And it was called, when I ordered it, the Heritage Neverfull GM, because you can personalize it. You get a choice of colors to put here, choice of colors for the initials, and you also get a choice of colors from the inside. And I wait till I show you. Now, what I find to be interesting, because most of you know what a Neverfull GM looks like, and you know about the size. But what's interesting is, I went on the website today just to see how much it would cost, to see if they had changed some of the options, and I could not find it on the website. So if you can find that on the website, let me know. I could not find it. So I don't even know if they're really personalizing anymore. However, let's get into this beauty, and let me tell you why I chose the colors I chose. All right, so it is the regular monogram canvas with the vachetta. And like I said, you choose the color combination that you want for the stripes and for your initials. Just to give you a close-up, I chose a cream and a turquoise blue. And then in the inside, I chose the beautiful turquoise blue. Let me get, I keep it stuffed. And I also have a Zumoni organizer inside. Actually, this Zumoni organizer, I'll just tell you briefly, is a silky Zumoni organizer made with satin and with premium felt material. And they were gracious enough to gift me this organizer when I bought the bag. So we're talking end of 2023. And I ordered this one in particular because this bag is so large. I could not fathom putting a stiff organizer in here, but I knew I needed some sort of organizer, and this one has worked out fantastic. As far as I love it, because it does give it some shape, but at the same time it's very soft and pliable, which is what you need, in my opinion, because you don't want this bag sticking out like this. Okay, enough about the organizer. Love it, recommend it. There's gonna be a link down below. Inside, we have the beautiful turquoise lining. Now, if I would have been able to choose any color, I would have chosen, and you guys know this if you know me, I would have chosen a pink interior. They do not offer a pink interior. They had limited colors at least that they were offering when I ordered it. Pink was not an option. So I thought this one was just absolutely beautiful. It also comes with a pouch, which they also go ahead and customize for you with the same colors. And also the interior comes in the matching color, just like the interior of the bag. It also brought this, which is kind of like a cardboard tag, yours now, or now yours, Louis Vuitton. And of course it has the little vachetta strap for you to go ahead and put the little pouch on there, which I haven't done. So this is her, basically brand new. I've used her one time, and I'll tell you what, I never figured she was going to be this big when I ordered her. And I don't know why. I have been shopping at LV consistently, I would say, since 2016 or 2015. I bought maybe a bag or two years before that, but consistently since 2016 or 2015. And I don't know why I never thought this thing was so big. It is huge. It is huge. Again, the interior is absolutely stunning. I love the way the personalization came out. And I'm very happy with the bag. I find that it is truly very big, too large for work, in my opinion. Even though I carry a laptop every day, I did use her for travel. And I'll tell you, my only issue was I actually took the dust bag, believe it or not, because I didn't want her to get dirty. So that was a little, because I don't like to, that's too much trouble. But anyhow, I wanted to share her because, first of all, I haven't shown her to you. And secondly, I don't know if this is available anymore. Does anyone know if LV is still doing personalization on the GM? And this is the only size that was available to personalize. The MM is not available for personalization. And I could not change the straps. I would have loved to be able to get black straps, but you can't. The only thing that you could personalize was, again, the initials, the colors out here, and the interior, and with specific colors that they offered. So that's it. Quick video. Want to show you what I got. Again, you're going to see a lot of unboxings from me. I haven't been on here for about a year and a half. I've bought a lot. I've sold some to Fashion File, and I'll say at a loss. That'll be another video. But I wanted to share my GM, personalized GM, which is very, very beautiful, and I really need to start using. But let me know if you have one of these, and let me know if you know what happened and why they are off the site. I haven't texted my essay. I guess I'll do that just to see what he says. But yeah, I could not see it on there. I'm going to go ahead and let me try and get up here and kind of show you size-wise. This is her. So as you can see, very large, wide. And this is why I did not want to put a regular organizer. And this is why I really wanted the silky one, because as you can see, it keeps the shape, but this is squishy, and you really don't want this to be out to here with such a large bag. So there she is. Okay, quick video, taking advantage that I'm home early today, and that's it for her. I'll see you soon. Bye.